How to create a contact group in Microsoft Outlook. Create a contact group in Outlook 365 and Outlook 2021 desktop app. Open the Outlook desktop app. In the home panel, click the people icon on the left side of the window. In Outlook 2021, click the people icon on the bottom left corner of the window. In the menu bar, open the new Contact context menu and select Contact Group. A new window will open. Type in a name for the group. Open the Add Members context menu and select from Outlook Contacts, from Address Book, or New Email Contact. If you select from Outlook Contacts or from Address Book, double-click an email address, or select multiple addresses from the list while holding down the Control key, and click Members to add them. Click OK. If you select New Email Contact, fill out the display name and email address fields, and click OK. Click Save and Close. Create a contact group in Outlook 365 web app. Open your web browser and access the Outlook web app. Click the people icon on the left side of the window. In the menu bar, open the new Contact context menu and select New Group. A new window will open. Type in a name for the group and click Create. Add group members by selecting them from the list or typing in an email address manually. Click Add. To add more members later, click Add Members in the menu bar. Select email addresses from the suggestions list or type in a name or email address manually, and click Add. Click Close. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you are using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel